Welcome! In today's video, we're diving into a simple yet essential task for your online identity, changing your profile picture on Gmail. Having the right profile picture can make a significant impact on how you present yourself in your digital communications. So, let's jump right into it and get started. First things first, open the Gmail app on your Android device. This is where all the magic begins. Once you have the app open, look to the top right corner of the screen. You should see your current profile picture there. Tap on that image. Now that you've accessed your profile page, tap your profile picture once again. This will lead you to options for changing your picture. At the bottom left of the screen, you should see a button that says Change. Go ahead and tap on that. Next, it's time to select the photo you want to add. Whether you want to upload a picture from your gallery or take a brand new one, it's your choice. After selecting the perfect photo, tap Next at the bottom of the screen. This is your opportunity to preview how your new profile picture will look. Finally, to confirm your choice, tap Save as Profile Picture. And just like that, your Gmail profile picture has been updated. Changing your profile picture is a straightforward process that only takes a few moments, but it can enhance your professional and personal image when communicating with others. Make sure to try it out and express yourself in your emails. Thank you for tuning in. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.